Your mommy does it. Do you want the camera?
Yeah.
You want to take a picture?
No.
Do you want me to take a picture of Drayton?
Yeah.
Okay, well stand up so I can take a picture. Stand up. Okay, ready? I'm going to take a picture. Why are you crying? Why are you so mad? I don't understand you. You're crazy. You're crazy. You're crazy. You want a bully beat down?
No.
What are you going to do to the camera? It's taking a picture of you. Smile. What are you doing? You can't take pictures. You want to touch the camera?
Yeah.
Okay, touch it one time. Now look in the camera and say, hi.
Hi.
This is crazy. Okay, put it at the, look at the TV with the camera. There it is. Say ni hao. Yeah.